Hello lovelies, welcome back to Feminine Health. Today's topic is one that many of us have asked us about. When is the best time to take a pregnancy test? If you're curious and eager to find out, you have come to the right place. So let's dive right in. For knowing the right time to take a pregnancy test, first you have to know how does the kit works. How does the pregnancy kit works? The kit works by detecting the presence of a hormone called HCG in your urine. HCG, otherwise known as human chorionic gonadotropin, is a hormone produced by a body to support the growing baby. For a baby to form, first a sperm and an egg has to meet, fertilizing into a zygote. This zygote has to implant into the uterus by a process called implantation, which usually happens around 6 to 10 days after fertilization. So only after implantation, our body starts releasing HCG. So imagine if you are on a 28-day menstrual cycle and you ovulated on your 14th day, and let's imagine that your egg even got fertilized that day, but as implantation occurs 10 days after fertilization, it goes around 24th day for a baby to get implanted onto the uterus. And after implantation, HCG starts to rise. So now, when is the right time to take a pregnancy test? The right and the best time to take your test is just right after you miss your periods. That is around 24th to 28th day. And moreover, take your test in your first morning pee right after you wake up. If not possible, try to wait until it's been 3 hours since your last pee before you take your test. If you are having irregular periods and don't know when your period is due, it is best to take the test at least 21 days after having unprotected sex. What to do if you got a negative result when you're suspecting a pregnancy? Sometimes your HCG levels might not be high enough to detect in the early stages. This usually happens when you took your test before you miss your periods. So don't panic, wait for a few days and repeat the test after your missed period to get a clearer picture. Should you take a blood test after a positive pregnancy test? Yes, it's because blood test estimates the amount of HCG present in your body. Blood test is a quantitative test which estimates the amount of HCG present in your body. Whereas urine pregnancy test is a qualitative test, it estimates whether HCG is present or not. The HCG levels reveals whether it is a failing pregnancy or a successful pregnancy. So after confirming a pregnancy by urine test, it's always best to do a blood test. Moreover, urine pregnancy tests are about 99% effective when you use them correctly. So ladies, wait till you miss your periods and take the test. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous. Bye.